Many men believe that sexual potency fades with age. But few know that the most important training for the penis happens while you sleep. You don't need drugs. You don't need to hit the gym. All you need is to understand how your body works when you close your eyes at night. And that's my goal with you today. Because if you're over 60, this nighttime training could be the difference between a firm erection and one that gradually disappears without you even noticing. It all starts with a truth almost no man knows. Your penis has muscle. But it's not just any muscle. It's smooth, cavernous muscle. Involuntary. Silent. One that trains through spontaneous erections during the night. And those erections, even if you don't believe it, are your natural gym of masculinity. While you sleep deeply, your nervous system automatically triggers between 3 and 5 erections every night. They're not related to erotic dreams. They're necessary to oxygenate the tissues, prevent fibrosis, maintain the elasticity of the corpora cavernosa, and preserve erectile responsiveness. But if they don't happen, if you sleep poorly, take certain medications, are overweight, or use screens late into the night, that training is interrupted. And over time, the penis suffers. Now listen carefully, because I'm going to show you how to activate this nighttime training with 3 simple exercises you can start today. Exercise 1. Morning check with the ring method. When you wake up, before getting out of bed, take a moment to check if you had an erection during the night. What's the simplest way to know? Before going to sleep, place a small paper ring or a thin strip of tape around your flaccid penis. If it's broken or loose when you wake up, you had a nocturnal erection. If it's still intact, your body didn't train that night. Exercise 2. Deep diaphragmatic breathing before sleep. Lie on your back, close your eyes, and place both hands on your abdomen. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, expanding your belly. Hold the air for 2 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 10 minutes before going to sleep. This exercise activates the vagus nerve, stimulates the parasympathetic system, the one responsible for nocturnal erections, and improves the quality of deep sleep. Exercise 3. Total pause from light stimuli. 1 hour before bed, turn off all screens, TV, phone, tablet. Blue light inhibits melatonin production, which is the hormone that initiates deep sleep. And without deep sleep, there is no cavernous nighttime training. If you need light, use a warm tone lamp or candles. Yes, candles. Because your hormonal system doesn't respond to screens, it responds to natural cycles. And what happens if you manage to do these 3 exercises for 7 nights in a row? In most men over 60, we observe a spontaneous reactivation of morning erections, more firmness upon waking, a better mood, and greater sexual confidence, without any external stimulation. But this is just the beginning. In the second part, I'm going to show you how to complement this nighttime training with specific micronutrients, pelvic relaxation exercises, not contraction, but release, and key habits that activate penile blood flow without touching it directly. And I'll also reveal the 3 worst mistakes many men make before bed that completely sabotage this training, even though they think they're resting. Because your best workout isn't at the gym. It's in your bed. And it starts tonight. Now that you understand the importance of nocturnal erections as a natural way to train the penis, it's time to enhance that process with the most powerful tools that science and medicine have to offer a man after the age of 60. And the first of them isn't a drug. It's magnesium. This mineral regulates muscle relaxation, plays a role in testosterone production, and modulates circadian rhythms. If you have insomnia, muscle tension, or wake up with leg cramps, you're likely low in magnesium. What to do? Take 300 milligrams of magnesium glycinate 1 hour before bed. It's more effective than oxide or citrate. And if you can combine it with 1 milligram of melatonin and 10 minutes of deep nasal breathing, you'll be activating the neurochemical foundation for your penis to train itself effortlessly. Now, let's go further. Many men think they need to strengthen the pelvic floor by contracting it. But that's only part of the story. At 60, the most common issue is not weakness, but excessive tension. When the perineal muscles are permanently contracted, as happens in men who sit all day, habitually hold their urine, or have experienced sexual trauma, the penis cannot be properly irrigated. Blood doesn't flow. It doesn't relax. It doesn't respond. That's why the next exercise is counterintuitive, but crucial. Nighttime perineal release exercise. Before bed, lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the bed. Put a soft rubber ball, like a tennis ball wrapped in a towel, right under your perineum, the area between your testicles and anus. Breathe deeply, and let the weight of your body rest on the ball for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't push. Don't tighten. Just relax. This exercise deactivates the overactive pelvic floor muscles, improves venous drainage, and allows your nocturnal erections to be more complete and sustained. Another factor you can't ignore is the endothelial system, the cells lining the inside of your blood vessels. At 60, many men have silent endothelial dysfunction, caused by years of high blood pressure, elevated blood sugar, or a sedentary lifestyle. So I suggest a simple routine to restore it. The beet juice routine. 1 hour before bed, drink a glass, 200 milliliters, of natural beetroot juice. This vegetable contains natural nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, the main vasodilator of the corpora cavernosa. You can mix it with lemon and ginger to boost the effect. Do this 5 nights a week for 3 weeks, and you'll see your blood flow improve, not only to the penis but also to the brain and heart. And if you want to take it to the next level, avoid these 3 traps before going to sleep. Trap 1. Blue light. Checking your phone in bed is one of the biggest saboteurs of nocturnal erections. Blue light inhibits melatonin, disrupts the hypothalamic rhythms, and reduces parasympathetic response. If you must use your phone, activate night mode or wear blue light blocking glasses. Trap 2. Nighttime alcohol. A glass of wine might relax you, but it also paralyzes the autonomic nervous system and reduces the quality of nocturnal erections by more than 60%, according to a study from the University of Melbourne. If you're going to drink, do so at least 3 hours before bedtime. Trap 3. Abdominal fat. A protruding belly compresses pelvic organs, blocks penile arteries, and lowers testosterone production. Every kilo of belly fat is associated with a 2% drop in free testosterone levels. Walk for 30 minutes daily after dinner. You'll not only improve your silhouette, you'll boost your body's natural nighttime ability to train the penis, without doing anything else. Now you know, your body has an automatic, nighttime, silent system to keep your virility active and functional after 60. Your job isn't to force it. Your job is to create the conditions for that system to work without interference. Sleep well. Breathe deeply. Release tension. Nourish your cells. And let nature do what it has done for millions of years, regenerate you while you sleep. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to this channel right now. Share this video with other men over 60 who need to regain control of their potency without relying on medication. And tell me in the comments, have you noticed changes in your morning erections? Would you like us to talk more about the pelvic floor, hormones, or masculine energy? Subscribe, because the best is yet to come. And your body deserves it.